Sky Blue Credit features, strengths, weaknesses. Sky Blue Credit is a credit repair service primarily focused on challenging inaccuracies on your credit reports. They stand out with their streamlined, fixed-fee structure. It's a monthly subscription, and you pay one price regardless of how many negative items they're disputing. Their core feature is the dispute process itself. Sky Blue Credit analyzes your credit reports from all three major bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, identifies potentially inaccurate, unfair, or unverifiable items, and then sends out dispute letters on your behalf. They typically focus on items like late payments, collections, charge-offs, and bankruptcies. Sky Blue is designed for individuals with relatively simple credit profiles who are looking for assistance in disputing a moderate number of negative items. This is ideal for those who might be intimidated by the dispute process but don't necessarily have severely damaged credit requiring a highly customized strategy. One of Sky Blue's key strengths is its ease of use and transparent pricing. The fixed monthly fee is straightforward, making budgeting easier. They also offer a satisfaction guarantee, which can provide some peace of mind. Furthermore, their dispute process is relatively efficient, often sending out dispute letters promptly. However, Sky Blue also has weaknesses. Their cookie-cutter approach may not be suitable for individuals with complex credit situations involving multiple creditors or intricate legal issues. They are also less personalized compared to some higher-end credit repair services that offer dedicated case managers and tailored strategies. Another potential downside is that they may not aggressively pursue all possible dispute avenues. While efficient, their dispute letters are often standardized and lack the nuanced arguments that a more specialized service might provide. Finally, their focus is solely on disputing inaccuracies, not on providing comprehensive credit education or strategies for building positive credit. In conclusion, Sky Blue Credit is a decent option for individuals with simple credit profiles seeking a cost-effective and straightforward credit repair service. However, if you have a complex credit history or require personalized attention, you may be better off exploring other, more comprehensive credit repair options or even consulting with a credit attorney. It's essential to carefully assess your individual needs and credit situation before deciding if Sky Blue Credit is the right fit for you. Remember that no credit repair service can guarantee specific results, and building a positive credit history requires consistent effort and responsible financial habits.